Hello, dear students. Today we are taking up a travelogue. Travelogue is a category of writing based on memory, and this is written by a famous geographer, Nick Middleton. Now, this is a travelogue taken from Extremes Along the Silk Road. This is the book, and he is the writer. He has written this book. This book is based on the Silk Road, and now this is the Silk Road. It is also called Silk Road because in ancient times, even in the middle time, this track was used for carrying silk from China to Europe, and there are many other things that were carried from eastward to the westward. They were golds, wools, and silver. Now, he is the author. There are some details of it. He is famous geographer and explorer. This is the route because this is the route crossing through many inhabitable areas. So, it is a difficult route, and this is passing through Tibetan track and through some of the difficult areas of Himalayas. Now, theme. In this chapter, you will study the sensitive behavior of hill folk. You will find that they are very hospitable and they take care of the visitors. And you will find the reasons why people willingly undergo the travails of difficult journey. Here, there is the detail that people go to Kailash for doing Kora. Kora is the round of the Mount Kailash undertaken by Buddhists. And there are some exotic places mentioned in the chapter. Now, who are the main characters of this chapter? They are Nick Middleton, who is himself the author. He is adventurous. He is adventure-loving people, and he will discuss about the effects when he will face during his going to Kora, the effects of altitude and different geographical difficulties. Daniel is the author's friend, and there is a Sita. Now, see, there are some words used in this chapter. You can see French loaves, and there is the beautiful moon. First line of the chapter starts with a flawless moon floated in a perfect blue sky. So you can see the serene beauty of nature. That's impossible to experience in lower areas. And now the word is ducking back is used in the chapter. So you can see in this stand there is a small entry. So when we enter any area that is having small opening, then we have to force us down to enter that or to come out of it. And this is the dress Ravu. This is the dress Drokba, which the nomad of that geographical conditions wear. And now this is Kora. You can see there is a map. Now these are some words. There is a word used, maneuvers. This is the perfect move. And in this chapter you will find that there are maneuvers by the herd of animals. And this is the this maneuvers is done by wild ass. They are called kyang. And now you see these Tibetan mastiffs. They are the guards because they never allow anybody to intrude into their territory until they are familiar to it. You can see. And this is the difficult track. Now these are some flags. They are called cairn of rocks. Cairn of rocks, a structure that is reducing from bottom to top. It is made up of collecting stones normally. Its size is normally reducing from bottom to top. Now you can see these are salt flats, and this is Bradha. Now there are some pictures shown in this slide. How can we visualize the condition of a town of Hor? And this is the basically maintained hotel type, hotel sort of. And this we can see Sven Anders Hedin, who was a famous Swedish geographer, topographer, explorer. He also visited this area. And this is Ikkai Kawaguchi, who was famous Buddhist monk, and he was so much emotional after viewing this Mount Kailash beauty that he became too much emotional. But this Swedish writer does not find any truth about it. Now this is Dachain. It is comparatively better than Kora. Now this is an area you can see, you can imagine the medical college located in any higher reaches of Himalaya, and there is a picture of a doctor. These are the medicines. They are Tibetan medicines, and these are some more pictures of the. So in this chapter you will find the details of the travelogue, which is undertaken by Nick Middleton for his journey to Kora. And in the end he meets a person from China who is Norbu, and Norbu has come to experience the Kora just for his research, not for any religious motive. And in the end they are successful in doing it. Now you can see the moves, how they are doing. In this slide there is mentioned the move, because there are many difficulties faced during visit to higher altitudes.